And we're back to learning Illustrator in year day 80, and let me show you how you can add multiple strokes to elements. By default you can add one stroke up here. Already shown you that. You can pick the color and size on the top left. But let us go to Window and use the appearance. It is this little sun icon. And here you can actually see the stroke and the fill. So there are yet again boxes for the color and the size. You can see it's the same when I adjust it on the top left. But right here at the bottom of the appearance menu, you will find add new stroke, new fill and new FX. If you want to add a second stroke, just use new stroke. Obviously the one on top, if it's bigger than one below, it will just overpaint it. So make sure that the smallest one is on top and the bigger ones are at the bottom. By clicking on stroke, you can access the stroke menu for each of these. So for the blue one, we'll access it and use a different align option. Same goes for the black one. And you can see how that repositions the stroke then. And you're not limited to just 2 strokes. Just click at the bottom left on add new stroke time and time again. Give it different colors, different sizes, and adjust the style. You can also delete these strokes at the bottom right with the trash can icon. So if you've added one by mistake, just select it and delete it here. And this way you can add multiple strokes to objects in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.